اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
Prepare to board!
Hi. All right, people, come.
My turn!
I'll stay. I'll fix a few things here and I'll join you later.
Fine. We'll take a tour while it's still light and find a place to sleep.
Sounds good. By the way, this land is under the Count's law. Be nice. See?
I see.
Welcome to Laguna. This is for you, my child. We're so honored by your presence.
Thank you.
Looks like we have a new king.
Good King Hugo.
That's right. During the brighter days, all children are kings. Just like the Child of Embers who watches over our island. Your presence is a blessing because you are the future, just like him. For he'll deliver all of us from the darkness. Please, enjoy the festivities.
Thank you.
Goodbye. Wow. That's a pretty good start, no?
I wonder what the church would think of this. They seem successful.
Pray that we're successful. Well, come on, Your Majesty.
We're in my dream, Amicia. It's the most beautiful place I've seen.
It's very beautiful, yes. But now we need to find whatever called you here.
Welcome! The market is just up the street. Plenty for you to see.
Let's go, quick!
Yes.
Hey, wait. So I heard of this dream and, well, I'd like to help. But first I must know what you're searching for.
All right. So it's a bit strange, but... Well, go on, Hugo.
Yes, in my dream, I woke up on a beach, and I was sick and scared. But a big bird came and I followed him. I thought I was dying, but the bird showed me water that healed me. And there was a huge tree too. And that's where I wake up each time.
Good. So, bird, tree, and water. Could be anywhere. But I guess it's a start.
We can ask at the market. Come on.
Oh, it's amazing!
So many colors and perfumes.
Amicia, can we ask people about my dream?
You shouldn't tell them that it's a dream. And don't ask too many people. You never know.
Yes. I'll ask.
Fresh fruits!
Hello, sir.
Straight from our
Would
mother's
you-
garden.
Is there a magic pond here? With birds and trees?
I'm not from here, you know. I just come for the market.
Maybe you have a bird?
No. Well, thank you, sir.
You're about as supple as you are tall.
What?
Let's see the rest.
Come see my flowers! Perfect for the festivities! Roasted pork's ready. Who wants some?
Bright fabric, perfect to wear for the brighter days. Olive oil, herbs.
Hello, sir.
Everything you need for your table.
What can I do for you? Need any spices?
Maybe later. We've been told of a pond of water with healing properties. Do you know where it is?
Not a clue. But there are many ways to be blessed during the brighter days.
Good to know.
Is there a big bird on this island?
There's a few here and there. Maybe you'll see them.
Well, thank you for your time.
You're welcome.
No pond. Maybe birds.
Yes!
Oh, this year's festival feels busier than usual.
I think we have twice as many stands as the last one.
What's over there?
Goats!
You want to say hello?
Is she nice?
Of course she is.
Go on. Don't be afraid.
What's she called?
Lucinda.
You're a nice goat, Lucinda.
She loves you.
Really?
There. That's I love you in goat.
You all right?
She screamed at me.
That's called bleating. It's how they talk.
She's a goat, you know. That's what they do.
Well, it's not nice.
We're scared, that's all. Let's go. Thank you, sir.
Anytime.
Goodbye.
I must say, she startled me a bit too.
That would actually be a good way to disorientate an enemy.
Can't wait to hear you bleat into battle.
Next time, maybe.
Did you know goats don't have front teeth?
Just like some of my men.
Can't we pass yet? It's been so long.
Be patient. We need the way clear for the moment. They're just moving goods to the square.
Can't wait to see the rest. So it keeps on going.
The village stretches all the way up.
We'll have to see it all then.
Fishes, big and fresh, straight from our port.
All right, let's try and ask someone here.
Good work with the decorations, everyone. Oh, and if you still want to help, we need a hand with tonight's feast.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
We've just arrived, and we heard about a beach with a pond not too far.
That's very specific. Anyone?
Sorry, I really don't know.
Me neither.
There's also a big tree.
Well, we have lots of big trees. You'll find some up on the plateau.
Thank you anyway.
Of course.
Why don't they know?
Dreams are tales of the soul, Pipsqueak. Not of this world.
We'll ask again.
Dancers and musicians are now in place. The festivities are about to begin.
Hello.
Hello there.
Would you know of a beach where we could find special birds?
Oh, Amicia!
This is
Can
an
we go
island,
too?
so the birds are
Sure,
mostly
sounds
seagulls.
nice.
Not a bird much dreamed of, I'd wager.
They're bloody thieves, I tell you.
It's not a seagull. Let's go.
Hey, thank you, sir.
May your day be bright.
Yours too.
He knows nothing.
Well, he knows about seagulls.
Be patient, Hugo. Should we be worried about the Count's army here? They look pretty quiet.
Different captain, different men, different land. Don't think so.
Good.
I hope there will be a dragon man.
I'd like to see a dragon man too.
All this wasn't in my dream, but I love this place.
It's all so dreamlike, yes.
Islands can be nice little havens, but they're fragile ones.
Oh, don't get gloomy.
Chance!
They're here. They must be about to start.
Please, stick to the rhythm, all right, Lucy? No improvisation. I sing for the Child of Embers, and he needs energy.
But not that much.
All right, focus, please. We're going soon.
Hurry up!
Last year was so great. You think they'll do better?
I know they've been rehearsing for months.
I hope they'll cross the main square once again. It's the best moment.
Who's this Child of Embers, anyway?
A local deity, obviously. It's St. John's Week on the continent, the summer solstice. So it's probably all about fertility and prosperity.
Is he magical?
He's a god. Pagan one.
Peaceful one.
Yes. Oh, dancers! Amicia dances!
I see that. You know how to dance this, Arno?
Do I look like it?
Oh, you never know.
I'd like to see you dance.
You're 30 years too late, lad.
I'll imagine it then.
The walk of devotion has begun. The procession is coming.
Amicia, quick!
Blessed be the Child of Embers. Blessed be
They're here! Hello!
Hello.
We're just in time.
Wow!
Say, would you like to bless them with flowers?
I just throw smack them.
That's it.
Like this? Blessed be the child! Wait! I'll bless the dancers too!
Hugo?
Blessed be everyone!
Oh, Lord.
It's done! Thank you!
Sorry about that.
Oh, don't be. He was true to his heart. Now they're blessed for many, many years.
You're a savage, Shorty.
Let's follow the parade!
Sure.
They're
Let's
up
go
there.
wreak havoc
Quick,
somewhere
quick.
else.
I
Calm
like
down. We'll
blessing
catch
people.
up with them. I really wonder why.
Blessed is the
Blessed is the mother. The mother is about
Blessed
to
is the
speak.
mother!
A crowd.
What's going on?
Where is she? She should have been here already.
Sorry, sire.
All right?
Yes.
You all know me. I'm not a man of words. Emily, your priestess, she will be here soon. She will open these brighter days with her beautiful words. The words of a mother. The mother of the Child of Embers. The child who protects his sacred land.
It's him.
From the rats of disease and war.
The rats.
No, wait!
Hey, what are you doing?
It's because it's the Count, Amicia.
We had a deal. Call your rats.
Wait, what? That was your deal? You saved me so he would murder the Count for you?
You survived. That comes with a price.
No! You don't take advantage of a child and call it a deal, Anna! We came all this way for him! You won't ruin that!
Fuck it. I don't need you.
No! Anna!
I knew it.
I won't miss this time.
I'll take care of him. Catch the girl!
No! This is not our fight! Run!
Get them! The girl in the
Run,
truck!
Hugo!
But Arno!
To hell with him! God damn it!
Stop!
Quick! No!
Hey, you!
Through here! Should have seen it coming. This is why you can't trust people, Hugo.
Nothing ever stays nice. It always turns bad. Always. Why?
We're going back.
It's too late.
No. Things aren't always nice, but you can change them.
How?
The way we always do. We fight. We stop Arno before he does more damage. We save your dream. We need a way back. A discreet one if possible.
What if Arno is dead? Or he killed the Count?
We'll improvise, remember?
Are we good at this?
We bloody are. Apollo, we're in a stable. There has to be something. This door, the square should be right behind it. Locked, of course.
Look, up there. We could climb and pass above the door.
What? I think that's a cart behind. Be very careful.
Don't worry, I know.
Hugo?
I'm going to open the door. Don't stand behind it. Here.
Let's get that cart in place. Together. By the way, why did Arno attack the Count?
He said that it's because of the Count that his shield is broken.
Climb up. Up we go.
Yes.
Good. Now careful. Let's see what's inside.
Hurry! The Count's being attacked! Go! I'll keep watch for the others.
Let's try to follow them.
Found you!
No! Hurry! Get down!
The others are busy, but my birds were 3 of them.
A falcon. It's trained to kill.
Stop it.
It's too fast. It'll get me before I aim. We need to keep that falcon occupied. I'll try to lure it away. We'll move from cover to cover when it attacks. Get ready.
I know where you are. You've got nowhere. There! Attack!
That's scary.
But stupid. Just stick with me. It'll be fine.
Kill them!
Let's go now. To cover.
Finally decided to show your face. Quick! Come on, go!
That's scary.
But stupid. Just stick with me. It'll be fine.
Get them!
Let's go now. To cover.
Finally decided to show your face. Go now!
It's so fast. One mistake and we're done.
Kill!
Go, go, go.
Oh, you want to play that game? Let's play!
Come on.
There, attack! Fly! You'll make a mistake at some point. There!
Can't be the bird from my dream. It can't.
It's not. We'll find you a bird.
Attack! Come on! Get them, you useless badger! Quick!
It's so fast. One mistake and we're done.
Come on, go!
Go, go, go.
Oh, you want to play? Bring me back their eyes!
It's so fast. One mistake and we're done.
Go now!
Come on.
Get them!
Go, go, go.
Oh, you want to play?
Can't be the bird from my dream. It can't.
It's not. We'll find you a bird. Up and
You'll
over.
make a mistake at some point. Kill them!
Yes, we're here.
Let's get out. Quick.
Oh, that was close. But we did it.
That bird was awful.
Now where's that damn Arno?
Listen. Sword noises.
Yes, yes, quick. They're here. The Count's alive.
Can you stop him?
Shut up! I'll kill you like I killed your man!
What do we do?
No! You fucking traitor!
You did this to yourself!
So this is his army? A girl and a boy?
No, wait!
Victor, stop!
Emily.
Don't get carried away. She helped. They're not a threat.
Of course, my love.
I'll kill you, bitch, Count! I'll teach you what it is to lose what you care for!
You've always been a disgrace to the knighthood, Arnaud. And you've been a pain in my ass for too
Are you all
long.
right?
Lock him up. I'll handle that later. So where do you know this beast from?
We shared a boat and had time to chat on the way, but I didn't know he was after you, sire.
Now, if you're not bandits, who are you?
Amicia. And this is Hugo, my brother. He's a bit afraid.
Well, don't be. There was more fright than danger. These days are dedicated to life and peace. Would you agree to be our guests for dinner?
Are you sure? I mean...
Sure. Emily's right. You helped, you deserve it.
Come with us.
Hugo, come.
So, how'd like our terrace?
This is really your house.
This is home.
It's incredible.
Come inside.
It's big.
It is. And it's only a small part of the palace. Oh, do you fancy some dates before we show you to your room?
Dates? What is it?
A fruit, Hugo.
Can I?
Come on.
Sure, Your Grace. Please go easy, Hugo.
Yes.
I know this all looks pretty formal, but please, here I'm not Your Grace. I am the mother. I am myself, so be yourself.
Yes. During the brighter days, all the people of La Cuna are one, united around the Child of Embers.
So?
I love it.
Haha! A bon vivant.
Be careful, they're very rich.
So where are you from?
Guyenne. We fled the war and the plague. We came here hoping for a better life. And we heard of this island.
You were right to come here. Let's keep going. You must be tired after this adventure.
It's amazing.
I know. Can't wait to see our room.
Agnes, go get a room ready for 2, please.
Certainly, Mother.
She's her mummy.
No, it's symbolic.
And these are our gardens. My favorite part.
Splendid.
Finally, they cleaned the basins.
Yes, aren't they nice?
You're quite young for such a long trip. Where are your parents?
Mummy is somewhere, but Dad was killed.
By who? How?
Hugo.
Victor, don't be so military.
You know me.
Come next to me, Hugo.
Yes.
You see those plants? Most of them are not from here, but we managed to make them grow anyway.
And they look great.
Thanks to a lot of love and care. We are just like them, you know?
We drink water.
And we need a good soil, love and care. This land is open to you if you wish to keep growing here. But of course the big sister will decide. Right, Amicia?
Thank you so much. Those were kind and true words.
Let me show you something else. Victor?
Of course, my
Come,
love.
Hugo.
The land here is strong. The Child of Embers breathes life into it. We created the brighter days to celebrate him, in the hope he'll come back to us, as it is foretold.
To us, his mother and father.
And to the people. We pray to him, not as a god, but as our long-sleeping child. We love and revere him, to revive his flame.
Amicia, on the stone. It's the bird.
Wait, would you pray with me? You can do it in your own way.
Sure. Hugo?
I'll pray to the bird.
A humble flame, to light his night. And may he rise, a sun, so bright.
So bright.
So bright.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Shall we go?
Sorry, Mother. Could we take some time to pray for our father? Hugo?
Yes.
Of course. I understand. I'll wait for you. Come when it is done.
Dear Father.
Hugo, is it really your bird? Take a good look at it.
Oh, yes. I feel it. It has the same beak. And I just know it.
Good. Very good. Let's go back to them. And no word about that to anybody here, right? It's our secret.
Is everything ready for tomorrow?
Yes? The new robes look wonderful. It will be perfect.
Excuse me.
Oh. Shall we go?
Sure.
I must say, we appreciate that you paid homage to the child so willingly.
Every child bears the future of the world. One child can change everything.
That is very true. Here it is.
Go on.
This is too much.
Nonsense. You're our guests. There's a good dinner being cooked.
A real dinner, Amicia.
Shh. Oh, we'll need to get you some new clothes. It looks like you had a long journey.
Are you going to kill Arno?
Hugo.
He will be judged. All those who do bad things are, and he did a lot. But you will have the chance to testify if you wish to do so.
But enough of that. We'll leave you to rest. Tomorrow, feel free to enjoy La Cuna. Brighter days are the best time for it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My lady?
Beds are great. Try jumping on them.
Yes!
These clothes feel so nice.
Yes.
Hey, come here, sleepyhead. Come on, it's just the sun. Look, it's worth it.
Whoa! Well, it's...
Like a dream?
Yes, exactly like my dream.
Quickly, let's eat something and get going. Come on.
Woohoo! It's beautiful! Can we go play?
Hey, we're here to know why you dreamt about this place, right?
Yes. Let's go!
What perfect weather for exploration.
Yes! Island explorers!
Let's find the exit first. Look at that!
It's so big!
Now I'm counting on you, all right? If you see anything...
Yes! I'll keep my eyes piled!
Peeled. We say keep my eyes peeled.
Oh! That's horrible!
It's... yes, it's horrible. This place truly is something.
It's so big! I would get lost.
I could get used to it.
Would you be a countess?
Oh no. Too many responsibilities.
Good day to you.
Good day.
Thank you.
It's gonna be a hot day.
Oh, you're right about that. I can't imagine having to wear that
Is
helmet.
that the way out?
Things got a bit
I
rough
suppose.
yesterday at the harbour.
Let's ask this guard.
Yes, I heard about that.
Hello. Can we go outside?
Sure. Enjoy the brighter days.
Slept well?
Sophia, hi! Nice to see you.
How did you know?
Where you'd be?
That's my life, sweetheart. Wake up early, observe, listen, and make the best of it. That's how I discovered Arnaud was in jail.
Yes. That bastard. He betrayed us. And worse, he used Hugo.
What kind of use could he make of such a tiny creature? Or are you more useful than you look like, little one?
I'm not joking, Sophia. Arnaud may be your friend, but he almost got us killed.
So you spent the night celebrating his capture with the Count of Provence and his wife?
No, I don't care about them. I kneel to no lord, Sophia. No count, no king, no one. I only care about him.
All right. I hit a nerve there. I was teasing you. I just like to know who my friends really are. And I like what I hear. Come. Let's take a walk.
Yes!
I took some time to wander around this morning. Do you know where you're going yet?
Not yet, no.
Take your time. Weather's just fine. People are partying. Even the guards are quite nice.
This is why we're not in jail already.
Oh, a bird!
You're right. Is it the one from your dream?
Almost. It's funny. It looks like it's looking at something.
Oh, a treasure hunt. Already?
Well, let's see what he sees.
So a dream and a bird.
Hugo's been dreaming about this place a lot since before we came here.
And each time there was a bird.
All right.
There.
Why not?
It was looking at another bird.
You're right.
So what's this one looking at?
Only one way to find out. Everything's so different from Guyenne. Even the smells.
Yes, it smells hot.
It's never hot in Guyenne.
Not in the same way.
I trust you.
Hello there.
Hello.
Hello.
You ready?
Just about.
I don't want to miss the ceremony.
To the Child of Embers!
This is all nice, but wouldn't the church consider it utter heresy?
Yes. You have to be a count to take that kind of risk.
This island is pretty remote. I guess that helps.
And there's no eye gold can't close.
What's going on here?
Nothing is dead.
Everything sleeps.
Nothing is...
What's that?
Oh, yes. People who can't have children come here to be blessed.
That's sweet.
I heard the Countess is the one who created all this.
She's so nice.
The Count and her, they seem so much in love. It's
Embarrassing?
unexpected, I'd say.
This wood's a bit damp, isn't it?
Hello.
I'll get it started.
You're painting. It's transparent.
Ah, it's varnish. To make it shinier for the child.
Varnish. We could make your boat shiny, Sophia.
It is shiny. Already.
We'll let you work, sir. Thank you.
Goodbye.
Everything sleeps.
Nothing is bad.
One flower for the child, one for the mother.
Not too tired, Hugo?
No, I'm good. Can we go back to searching the birds, Amicia?
That's the last one.
Yes. Can't wait to join the festival.
Me too.
Fresh fish! So fresh, they're still dreaming about beautiful sea.
Hello.
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 Are you going to the harbour?
Oh no, we went there yesterday. Thank you.
Let's stay here and see the rest.
Hello there. So, no fight today?
All is quiet.
Blessed be the child.
trying to scare my fish away?
Oh, sorry. Well, I hope his fish escape.
You're right. Free the fishes. And what about that staring bird?
I know. It's our main lead. We should go back to it. Hello? Is the way closed?
For now, yes. Sorry. We must deliver these flowers to the sanctuary for the ceremony.
That cart fell.
Don't worry, there's only a few broken stems.
We'll come back later. Good luck. Come on. Up.
All right.
Pretty empty.
Come on. You're not going to let a locked door stop you?
Let's look around. Window. There's something inside.
Bullseye.
Let's go back.
Yes! Let's take the tower!
Oh, so you came to conquer?
Only towers. The rest doesn't interest him.
Towers are the best, because you can climb them. Amicia, I'd like to see the stone birds again.
What do you... Interesting. Climb up.
Uh-huh.
Let's see what's inside. All right, let's get to work. Much better. Let's go down.
Very well.
Let's climb down. Be careful.
All right. Go play naval war against the English again.
Hey, I'd like that.
You have a real boat. Just do it for real.
Oh, you've never seen a naval fight, have you?
I've seen fights. A battlefield.
Yes. Stay on land for this, believe me.
There's a sculpture of a bird there. Do you know anything about it?
Oh, it was there even before we arrived. It's very ancient. That's all I know.
Very ancient.
Well, thank you.
Yes, thank you.
Shouldn't we go out on delivery now?
We still have time. The feast is this evening. I'm pretty sure they haven't started cooking.
You see, if you crush them enough, it will perfume clothes and fabric.
That way you smell like flowers. It's looking at that house.
Your answer might be in there.
Oh, there's another one.
Let's have a look.
They look so happy.
They are.
I hope this afternoon's ceremony will be successful. Yes, the feast is going to be magnificent.
This child seems to be really kind.
He must be, for them to be so loud about him.
Oh, I wish I could see that ceremony. Wear one of those robes.
Are they even aware of what's happening on the continent?
They have to be.
Hence the drinks.
Look! I'm the child of embers! No, you're not. Yes, look! I control the sun!
You're not doing anything at all.
I'll show you!
Nothing is dead.
Everything sleeps.
Nothing is bound.
All is waiting.
No child is born.
This year's flowers are sublime.
Yes, their life incarnate.
Closed.
I'm sure there's a way to change that.
There may be something useful in there.
Yeah.
Climb first.
Yes. Can we go back to searching the birds, Amicia?
Up we go.
Very well. What are those things in the sky?
Kites. You've never seen one?
No.
Well, they're like tiny boat sails. They take the wind and off they go.
Can you fly if you catch one?
No. Down you go.
Hey, you're good. I should hire you.
I wasn't like this before.
It's fine. I wasn't born a smuggler either. You do what you must.
What do you have for us? Let's see what can be done.